Qualifications, what qualifications? You need to be alive, that's all. That's all. Most of the time we are not. We are so dead. We are so connected to the past. We are so dead. The first requirement to be awakened, to be enlightened, is to be alive. To be alive like a child. Look at the child. To be alive like a flower. To be alive like a bird. Can you do it? How can you be alive? Unless you just totally be free from that whole dead past. Unless you are available to now, this very moment. If you connect here, then you are alive. But we do not connect here also. We are connecting from the past. We see the present through the past and dream about the future. To be alive means to be available now. To be alive means to be bubbling with life inside. With all the problems, with all the pain. There is a dance inside. There is a song inside. That is to be alive. To be spontaneous. This is the qualification. And your next question is there any sadhana? Is there any path? There is no path. All path is created by the mind. It's like flying into the sky. It's an open sky, a free sky. You have to just open your wings and just take a jump. When you fly into the sky, there is no path. There is no sadhana that you have to do it. It's your inborn gift. To be enlightened is not something reached through some sadhana. Sadhana is meant to tire up the mind. Mind, when you take a journey, you take the journey through the mind. The mind has to get so tired at certain point that it has to drop dead. All the sadhana, real sadhana, is to make you so tired physically and mentally. There is nothing that takes you there because there is nothing there. Either you realize after you get so tired that you have done so many things, you reach nowhere, that is the point where you start questioning your search itself. Then the beginning of that journey which starts from stopping. The outer journey begins when you start walking, but the inner journey which you call sadhana begins when you stop there. There is no moment. Sit silently and do nothing. Just no moment there. But you are just doing sadhana. Sadhana is something which just making your mind tired, or there is another path which is attracting to the mind, is the path of a siddha, yoga. All that we talk about sadhana is the talk about the path of yoga. There you are doing something so that slowly this mind acquires lot of power, at a certain point it explodes.